Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. You talk about gorgeous, and no, I'm not talking about me. I'm talking about this 1960 Thunderbird. Look at the colors. It just pops. The design is beautiful. They said it was the best car design of the decade, known as the Square Bird. It's restored to show condition, has a retractable top, which we'll demonstrate in a little bit. You can go to volocars.com. That's where you can look at all the pictures and read the information. You will also find a price tag on every one of our cars, along with the monthly finance option at volocars.com. If you enjoyed the videos, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so you're notified as the cars are posted. But for right now, that top's down. Let's go for a spin. Okay, underneath the car looks very tidy and respectable. The floors all look clean and solid. Have a nice thin undercoat on them. The front end components look fresh. The power steering ram and hoses and the components up there, they all look very fresh. The shocks. Same thing in the back. I upgraded some coilover shocks, and the springs all look good. Dual exhaust. It has two new mufflers. They're all the way in the back. Looking up at the motor and transmission, they look fresh. Bottom of the motor, the oil pan, it's clean. It's the Cruise-O-Matic transmission. That's what they called it. 3-speed automatic. Again, it looks fresh, the whole transmission. The drive shaft, the U-joints, all that looks fresh. The rear end has a tag on it. I think it's a 3-to-1 ratio or 3.10. So the drivetrain looks like that's been out and more than likely rebuilt. It all looks very fresh, and the car functions very well. So the outside of the car, just stunning. And the colors, again, it's just really beautiful. But let's check out the body. You got these nice tail fins, and boy, everything I see is straight and fits real nice. Down the side of the car is completely straight. No bubbles, no rust, no issues. Not only does the door fit square, but it fits flush. All this is real nice, straight, smooth, shiny, nice square fitting up here. Front end of the car is real nice, no dents, no damage. Here's a little chip in the paint touched up. I'm looking at the body right now. Here's an intersection with a lot going on, and all of it lines up real nice. No bubbles, no body work showing. All this is super good. Look at that. How that lines up. It's spot on. Got fender skirts. Yeah, all that is nice. The body looks excellent. It really does. I'm kind of looking at the paint too. I didn't notice that one little nick up front. I don't see any flaws in the paint. I'm sure there are a couple other tiny ones that I might have overlooked, but the edges of the doors don't have chips that I see. No, the paint's in beautiful shape. Just gorgeous paint. Some sort of like imperfection in the paint right here. Don't even know how to describe it. A little bit of dust in the paint here and there. So super, super nice paint. It's called Sultana Turquoise. It's an original color. The wheels were recently powder coated to match as the chrome spinners. Nice bright white wall tires. American Classic white walls. The chrome is beautiful. This mirror right here looks new. The door handle, around the vent window, all that's excellent. This is stainless trim. It's nice and straight. It has minor wear on it from the top rubbing. The gun sights here are excellent. There's a little Thunderbird logo in those. The big mouth, grill, and bumper, all that's shiny. You got bumper guards, the emblem. All that's real slick. You got a nice fake hood scoop right here. Correct antenna looks new. The windshield must have been replaced. It's crystal clear. The gasket is soft. The wipers look good. Thunderbird emblem looks nice. Chrome trim here is real nice. The back bumpers are beautiful. I can see a few light hairline scratches on the surface. The lenses are nice. The background, the chrome, all that's very good. Emblem is shiny and sparkly. There's where you put the fuel. So the outside of this car is gorgeous looking. So why don't we stop it and we'll show you what it's like inside this car. Sparkly chrome, shiny paint, big white wall tires. Now we'll demonstrate how this all opens and functions when we get it outside for a little test drive there. But you can see under the trunk lid is all painted and all the components are nice and clean and tidy. There's lots of switches and relays and motors. This is like a Transformers car. You got the hydraulic rams that lift the lid open, and then there is a power top that comes out. You can see we have the full liner kit in here, the whole thing. Look at the framework is all real nice. The wiring looks real nice. The rams look new. It's got a spare tire. Oh, a white wall to match the other tires on a painted white rim. That's kind of nice to see. Brand new, well, never been used tire. So very, very nice compartment here, and it all looks clean and fresh. So many times you get into this area and they're not finished. This one looks great. Door jambs are painted real nice and clean, and the weather strips and window fuzzy seals are replaced. And look at the interior, it just pops. Door panel looks new, the armrest, the brushed stainless trim, the handle, all that looks really nice. And look how nice the turquoise matches the paint. It's like spot on. I'm sure the dash pad has been replaced because this is mint. And look at the whole instrument panel. It's the nicest one I've seen. The gauges, the lenses, the chrome, the trim, the knobs. Beautiful condition. A little bit ago I did turn on the AM radio and it actually works. I wasn't expecting it to come on, but it did play. Glovebox door is mint. The liner's new. Got a real nice center console here. You got the heater controls are real nice. This is all painted real nice. Here's the power window switches. There are upgraded speakers. I can see them inside there. I'm sitting on the seat and it's nice and firm. It's got all new cushions, so they're nice and firm. Makes it feel like a new car. They must have had grandkids because they have seat belts in the back but not the front. And this is all recushioned and upholstered. The side panels are upholstered. Of course, all new carpet. Also has Thunderbird embroidered mats. Then the optional day and night mirror looks new. The visors are new. The chrome is sparkling. Very, very tidy, very clean interior. A beautiful motor compartment. I'd call it show quality. It's a 352 4-barrel motor. It's been rebuilt and it still looks very fresh. All the components, nuts, bolts are clean. Big air cleaners painted. Has the chrome valve covers. Has a power brake system that looks restored. Has a power steering system down there, has both horns. Does look like it has an upgraded fan shroud. And over on this side we do have a reproduction tar top battery with a disconnect switch. And then you can see the whole engine bay, and under the hood is painted like the car, same color. All the wirings run neatly. Very nice. This is just a beautiful car. I don't care who you are, how old you are, how young you are, you're going to get compliments on this car. How could you not like it? It's beautiful, it's outstanding, and it's very tidy. I'm kind of particular person. If I'm looking at something I don't like, or a dingy dash area or something like that, I'm going to be turned off. But this is a very tidy car, front to back, in and out. The colors, again, are outstanding. You can read about the square birds. They were raved about, actually. Spoken very highly of. The design. Go to volocars.com. I just gave you my impression. Talk to the salesman about your questions or concerns. They can help get this delivered to your driveway. They can help you finance this car. That's at volocars.com. I really hope you enjoy the videos. Subscribe. Click on the bell icon. We've got some great cars coming up that we will be notified as they're posted. Thanks for watching.